So, this morning I'm making this video in hopes that nobody else will turn around and have the same problem I have had with Window Well, Rhode Island. Back in April, I contracted them to vinyl side my house. After 2 months of all excuses when they would start, they finally started on June 6th. The materials were delivered on June 4th, which was a rainy Monday. Came in a truck. The truck driver could only put them on my sidewalk right over here, which I have no driveway. Being in a city where things can get stolen quite easily, I was on the phone with Tiffany Schumer from Window Well. They had nobody to come and put this material in my backyard, which left me and my wife to do it on ourselves. Okay, not a problem. Didn't want to refuse the material. Wanted to get this job started after 2 months. Well, since then, it has been a nightmare. They started on June 7th. It has been 6 full weeks. They've had 30 working days, and 3 of them have been rain days, 1 a holiday, which gives them 26 days to finish a house on vinyl siding this size, which I'll show you. When they arrived, crew of 2 people, which I was expecting more, I guess, from a company of the size of Window Well, and starting the house. Going into our 7th week, this is where they left me now, and not contacting me. For the last 3 days, been calling, leaving messages. Nobody has contacted me. This is the type of work you're going to expect from them. As you can see, this is the front of my house. It has been like this now for about a week. You can notice the top's not done. Everything's left in the wind. I have lost a bunch of the insulation that they put on due to wind now and then. The type of work they get. You notice their workers like to leave holes in the wall from ladders. They do not care about any property. And I talked to him. I wanted the white corners to go right up. Well, this is what I get. I guess the J channel going over the white corners. In some spots over here, another one over here. But yeah, up at the top, they've done it right. It's a total mismatch. This side of the house right here has been looking like this for 3 weeks now. There's a small piece up at the top, not finished. There's another piece that has blown up in the wind. The gutter has not been taken out. They put the soffit up, left it without the trim. I have J channel hanging right up over, which I'll show you right there, over the sides of the house. And come down here. You know this, I don't know if you can see this, but this vinyl literally has pucks right down the side. And this one, as we come down, there's puck marks. There's some over here, some over here. My light fixtures in my backyard, which I had to attach myself. The boxes underneath, the lights were left-handed, hanging. I put these boxes up the other night because I have lights in my yard. As you can see, another one right here. This was put on, the cap wasn't put on, and which I had to do myself. Finished. This is kind of like the fun part of it. This is their idea straight. You notice, over the bulkhead, comes down nice butt. As we go over, it is way off level, not right. Another problem I've had with this company is my satellite dish. When they took it off and they did it, I knew it had to be realigned. What I didn't realize is that I had to call the DirecTV company and find out that when they took it off, they warped it, which meant a new dish. Over towards the top of the house. I don't know if you can see this right now in the sun, but I'll try and get a close up. This window has been left like that since they finished the back. It's a small piece. They haven't finished flashing the window on top. Small piece over there, which is done. I'll put underneath the ladder of my fire escape. They left the piece out. If you look up at my bin, I boxed them to fix this when they did it. Bottom left-hand corner of that bit has a piece sticking out. When they pushed the cover on, they pushed it out and nobody even fixed it. And it's coming along the other side. I'm going to try and get some good pictures. I know the sun is a little tough right now. But temporary fix, but they had a temporary hold on my light when they put it back up. Now, this light, if you notice on the side of it, right over here, there's one hole up top. That was the temporary hole for the light, so it doesn't fall. They didn't have to put it on the ground. Well, after they did it, it was never fixed. Those tiles should have been fixed, never fixed. Again, over at the top, this piece has been hanging. Let me get it right there. This piece has been flapping in the wind. Since the first week, I boxed them to fix. Still haven't put a ladder up to attach it right. My window over here, again, the second day in. This window right here, as you can see on the corner, is not wrapped right. Now, before they put all this together, I asked them to fix that. They said yes, they never did. Same thing here with the meter box. This meter box, let me get this down. As you can tell, it's way off level. It's left. It's all left incorrect. Again, before they finished, I asked them to fix that, get it done. They never did. If you look at the top, the trim work where the gut is supposed to go, which hasn't been put on yet, is left way hanging way over, not fixed. If you look at the trim, the corner trim, right over here. Again, I guess that's what they consider level and matched. Doesn't look like it in my books. And that's the same thing with the other side over there. As you can see, it's hanging way over the side. As I said, we've had 30 days, couple of rain, one holiday. It's been 26 days they've had to finish this house. This so far is what I'm getting. Like I said, I'm doing this. So you folks out there, anybody who calls Windowwood or Rhode Island, this is the type of job you can expect. They say they're going to get a crew. Well, their crews consists of 2 people, and this is what they work off of. Notice there's no staging around here. They are working off of ladders. This is how they leave. Everything that you buy, you've paid for, the material, the stock. Oh, this is how they'll leave it. They have no respect for property. Let's say it again. This is a picture of the house. The backside, which isn't complete. The other side of my house, which still isn't complete. Entryway, which some of the trim, I'm going to have to live with, but still isn't correct. My front of the house, which I've been waiting now for a week to have it done. This company told me they would have it done yesterday, and my house would be complete. Still hasn't been completed. Now, I'm sorry for the poor video, but it's morning time, the sun's out. The other side of the house, which the pieces are done, they haven't put the gutter on. So there is not, after 6 weeks, not one side of my house is complete. Not only that, I've been living with a dumpster outside my house for 6 weeks, taking up parking. As you can tell, I have a second bathroom now, which has been here for 6 weeks. And I don't even believe anybody's been here to take care of it. But I'm doing this video just to make sure you know what you're getting into when you sign a contract with Window World of Rhode Island. You're going to get poor service, poor customer service, poor unprofessional jobs. And for your own good people, please do not hire this company. You will not get nowhere. Numerous calls to the office has only got me told to deal with their installation manager, Mike, which he's told me things, lied to. I've called corporate up on this. Now, last Monday, corporate supposedly came down. I met him here. They promised it to be done this Friday. Well, come to find out when I talked to corporate yesterday, corporate doesn't send their representatives to the house like this. So again, once again, I don't know who the guy was that I met, or if it was all staged for me, an act. But you're not going to get anywhere with this company. For the amount of money, go somewhere else. You're not going to get the work you want. You're not going to have it done on time. Any time frame, they keep telling you there is no time frame. So I guess, their idea is if they start somewhere in beginning of June, hey, they may have it done by Thanksgiving. And there's not really nothing you can do about it. So right now I'm making this video. I'd like it to go viral to save people the time and aggravation that I have gone through with this company. So let's make this video go viral for them.